Hello friends, Bob Price with your Monday, June 15th edition of Canada's Business Beat. The week begins with oil prices way down, gold and silver both way up. A tentative peace deal to end that U.S. war with Iran opening up the Strait of Hormuz for oil shipments, sending world crude prices to their lowest point in months. Gold, on the other hand, has jumped by over $120 an ounce, silver well over $3 higher. Donald Trump and company won't like this, but don't be surprised if our country opens the door for even more Chinese-made vehicles in the near future. Federal Industry Minister Melanie Joly in Beijing this week for another round of Canada-Chinese trade talks, including meetings with 4 Chinese EV companies, BYD and Chery among them. Reporting today's most relevant business insights, Canada's Business Beat, the most news you'll hear in 2 minutes, updated daily on X, Blue Sky, YouTube, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. More bad news for Vancouver and area condo owners trying to sell. A new TD Bank analysis of the region's real estate market, anticipating further price declines for the West Coast condo market for the rest of this year before stabilizing next year. One last thing for air travelers to worry about this summer. Air Canada reporting labor peace with its 6,000 customer service agents who've now ratified a new 4-year contract deal. You'll be happy to hear that most Americans by far disagree with Donald Trump's chest beating about us becoming a state. A research company survey noting that only 7% of Americans agree with Trump on this one. The business of making stuff picking up steam. StatsCan reporting a 4.2% jump to $77.1 billion for Canada's manufacturing sales in April, petroleum and coal leading the way. Alberta's sales soaring most of 17% to an all-time best. And on the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, clothing retailers Reitmans and Dynamite will report quarterly earnings on Tuesday. Sobeys parent Empire will share results on Thursday. StatsCan will have April retail sales data on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.